In triangle ABC, angle B is equal to 90 degrees, BC is equal to 5 centimeters, AC minus AB is equal to 1. Evaluate 1 plus sin C divided by 1 plus cos C. Given triangle ABC, angle B is equal to 90 degrees, BC is equal to 5 centimeters. AC minus AB is equal to 1, equation 1 given. We know that AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. AC square minus AB square is equal to BC square. AC square minus AB square is equal to AC plus AB into AC minus AB is equal to BC square. That is, BC is equal to 5 centimeter. That is, 5 square is equal to 25. From equation 1, AC minus AB is equal to 1. AC plus AB into 1 is equal to 25. AC plus AB is equal to 25. Equation 2. Solve 1, 2. AB is equal to 25. AC minus AB is equal to 1. Add plus AB minus AB cancel. AC plus AC, that is 2AC is equal to 25 plus 1 is equal to 26. AC is equal to 26 by 2 is equal to 13. AC plus AB is equal to 25. AC is equal to 13 plus AB is equal to 25. AB is equal to 25 minus 13. AB is equal to 12. Here, consider angle C. AB is equal to 12 centimeters is equal to vertical side. AC is equal to BC is equal to 5 centimeters is equal to base. Sin C is equal to vertical side by hypotenuse is equal to 12 divided by 13. Cos C is equal to base by hypotenuse is equal to 5 divided by 13. 1 plus sin C divided by 1 plus cos C is equal to 1 plus 12 by 13 divided by 1 plus 5 by 13 is equal to 13 ones are 13 plus 12 is equal to 25 divided by 13 divided by 13 plus 5, 18 divided by 13 is equal to 13 cancel, 25 divided by 18.